Hi, I'm Ananya K, a PGDM student specializing in finance and HR at SDMIMD Mysuru. I was a BCom graduate, and as a part of my summer internship program, I interned at Morgan Stanley Bangalore in the Fund Services division. I was assigned to the accounting team of Morgan Stanley, and the main responsibilities there are NAV calculation, price reconciliation, and price verification on the daily and monthly basis. As a part of the internship, I was assigned a project from day one, and this project was to identify the accounting treatment for corporate actions in hedge funds accounting.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Naik. I'm a BCom grad and currently pursuing my PGDM at SDMIMD with dual specialization in finance and marketing. And to speak about my internship, I had done my internship in Friedenberg Gala as a sales intern over there. So to speak about my project was a strategic project which was really important for the company. To speak about my challenges, yeah, it was a very tough because shifting from Karnataka to Mumbai, apparently a new place and new languages, it was tough at initial stage, but yeah, as the time passed we got get along. So it was really good opportunity to work and really grateful for my internship being there.